Hey guys, this is the Breville coffee machine. It's a Breville Barista Max, an espresso machine with an integrated grinder. Let's quickly go through this and I'll show you a quick unboxing after. So it's got a tap and go grinder. You can remove the bean hopper. There's 30 grind settings, so it should be pretty good. Let's have a quick look. Okay. First of all, manual. I think these are the espresso container things. So one. So this is the main part there. Oh, a little brush. Okay, so, and then we've got this here. This looks like this is where you compact the coffee. This is the bean grinder. It's the milk jug. That's where you put the water in. This says remove red plug before use, so I've done that. And then these on here. So it holds 2.8 litres. You can just put that like that. That's good. Put that back on there. Slide it up. Take that off now. This is the drip tray. That's if you want to remove the drip tray. Quick look at the manual here. So it looks like one there. Obviously the mug goes in that part. The frother. That's a cleaning disc apparently, that part. Cleaning brush. Cleaning pin. 2 cup, 1 cup, so that's one's bigger than the other. That's 2 cup. That's 1. That's the 30 different grind settings there. Slower extraction, faster, so that must grind faster, that's slower. And that's the grinder. That goes in there. Yeah, you put this on and turn it. And so And this is your coffee. I think you turn it on or do one at settings, so if it's double you press that, double the water comes through. That's the tap to bean, that's the on button. And I think that's it really. There you go. So